Hello friends! In this video, we will see how to end a reference list entry as per the APA 7th edition. Which of the following two reference list entries are written correctly as per the APA style? There will be 4 entries, out of which you have to identify the 2 correct entries, okay? So, the first 2 reference entries are these. That is, field A. This is the author. 2020 is the date. Discovering Statistics using IBM SPSS Statistics, 4th edition, is the title of the book. And Sage Publishing is the source. Now, though these 2 entries are the same, there is only one difference. The first reference list entry ends without the full stop, whereas the second reference entry ends with a full stop. Okay? Next, see the 3rd and 4th entries. These are also the same, that is, field A is the author. The date is 2009. Discovering Statistics using IBM SPSS Statistics, 3rd edition, is the title of the book, and Sage Publications is the source. Now, in the source, URL of the source is also mentioned. The difference between 3rd and 4th reference entry is that the 3rd entry ends without the full stop, whereas in the 4th entry, there is a full stop at the end. Okay? Now just pause and think as to which 2 references are written correctly, as per the APA style of writing. You have 10 seconds to think. So, the correct answers are the 2nd and 3rd reference list entries. The 2nd reference ends with a full stop, whereas the 3rd reference ends without a full stop. These 2 references are correct because in the APA style of referencing, put a full stop after every reference entity, that is, after the author, date, title, and source. Here, a full stop is placed at the end of the author's name, that is, field A. A full stop is placed after the date. A full stop is placed after the title of the book. And after the source, that is, Sage Publishing. So, 2nd reference list entry is correct. Further, APA style says, but do not put a full stop after a DOI or URL, as it may interfere with the link functionality. So, in the 3rd reference list entry, no full stop is placed after the URL, which makes it correct according to the APA style of referencing. Okay, got it? Thanks for watching, and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. All the best and happy learning!